Spark. These things are used for streaming data only. These three things are used for streaming data only. The Lambda architecture was proposed later. What it will do, it will help both kinds of data, processing or querying both kinds of data, that is data in motion or the streaming data, or data as trust, we call it as batch processing data. We call it as batch processing data. So this Lambda architecture has certain architecture like this. They are the producer. This side is the consumer. So I will show you. This part is producer and this part is consumer. This part is consumer. So now what it will do, whenever the smart objects generate, whenever the smart objects, sorry, just whenever this smart object generate the data, it will be sent to a message broker, that is your Apache Kafka. It will take the data from the smart object. Suppose if user wanted the data in a real-time manner, if the application is real-time application, so then there will be a serving layer. It will divert the data towards the streaming layer. Serving layer will divert the data. It will collect the data from the Kafka immediately and divert the data to the streaming layer. Here I can have Apache Spark, Storm or Flink, which will collect the data and process it in a real-time manner, and analysis result will be given to the user. The result will be given to the user. As and when data get generated by smart object, it will be collected. The smart object will feed the data to Kafka. They are the message broker. This is server. And user can retrieve the data by using Apache Spark, Storm or Flink. Kafka collect the data from the smart objects. User can use Apache Spark, Storm or Flink, and it will retrieve the data from the Kafka in a real-time manner, and it will be processed and given to the user according to his query. ಬೆಂಕಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಆ ತರ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. That is called as stream layer. Suppose user request, some user request is not in a real time manner. Record the temperature for 10 days. I want the temperature of the past 10 days. I want the temperature at this location on June 4th. Last year, March 15th, something like that. They are already stored data. You are trying to retrieve it. We call this as batch processing. Here you can use normal HDFS, Hadoop file system with MapReduce architecture. Maybe your query is results for your query can be a bigger result. So it will be processed in a these things what we can call parallel processing nodes. So your query will be split distributed among the nodes. It will retrieve the data from all the nodes and give it to the user. These are all already stored data. Processing stored data. This is processing data which is generated in the real-time manner. Real-time manner, whatever the data which generated. This is present. This is past data. Processing the past data. So you can serve both the things. Real-time processing as well as batch processing using this Lambda architecture. You can give real-time view or pre-compute view or past views. So if you want both, you can give that. So that is also allowed in the Lambda architecture.